Hey everyone, let's unbox this shower head and filter set that I got from Amazon. This particular model is called Laxau S20. Alright, let's check the box and all its information. Now let's open it up. Here's the shower hose. Here's the tape. And here's the shower filter. It's very shiny. And it comes with a manual. And here's the shower head. And this is the shower bracket holder. Alright, let's put them back and install them. Here I'm trying to remove the old shower head, but it's stuck. So I used a vice grip to loosen it up. Now let's clean up the outlet before we install everything. That's always a good habit to do. And let's tape up the outlet. Make sure that you do this properly. And here's the shower filter. Make sure that you install the washer. You should go as far and as tight as you can with this, so water won't seep out. Now let's tape up the other end of the filter and install the shower bracket holder. You gotta make sure this is tight as well. And now let's attach the shower hose. And finally attach the other end to the shower head. And now it's done. Alright, let's try all the spray modes. Yep, they're all working. Good job guys, and thank you for watching.